Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. The disease, or you can say trait we acquire, we know that either they are influenced by gene or environment. Environment may be nutrition, maybe pollution, maybe many other factor, weather that is present around us. So the disease or trait we acquire is influenced either by gene or by environment. Do you know that twin study can give us clue that whether the trait, or you can say disease, that we acquire is influenced by gene or environment? Let's understand this with the example. Suppose we have here, there are two parents A and B, and they have twins. For example, they have identical, and you can also say that monozygotic. Twins. Here we take C and D. So this couple have monozygotic twins C and D. For some reason, may be anything, they are reared in different environment. Suppose this C is reared in different environment and this D is reared in different environment. So here in both cases C and D have different environment. So their upbringing is in different environment. And they are monozygotic, means they have 100% similarity in gene. And when they are reared in different environment, suppose one gets that trait, any trait. Suppose this C gets trait that is epilepsy. Here I am taking a trait epilepsy. And this D also get that trait or disease epilepsy. What does it tell us? Both have different environment. So environment here cannot be reason for epilepsy. What can be the reason for epilepsy here? They have common genes. So here environment cannot be the reason. So here what will be the reason of epilepsy? The reason of epilepsy will be gene, because they have common gene. So this twin study can tell us about that any trait or disease is genetic or environment, or it is influenced by gene or environment. And let's take this, when this gets epilepsy and this didn't, only C get epilepsy and they have different environment and they have same gene. If this epilepsy is genetic, then both of them must have that trait. But if one have that trait, that means it is influenced by environment. So twin study can tell us about whether a trait or disease is influenced by a gene or environment.